Hello everyone, my name is Adam Allure and I'm the founder and CEO of Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you some of the map basics in Wavve. So just some of the basic functions that I think everyone should be familiar with. So first is how to change the map layer type. So you'll see that top right little circular icon there. And so from here I can change my map from the default view. I can switch to a dark mode as such. We can switch over to satellite as such, and then I'm going to go back to default. Cool. Now let's say I'm curious about all the waypoints, as we call them, that other community members have been adding. Again, you're going to head back to that same view, hit show all points. Now my maps can be populated with dangers, points of interest, mooring locations, beach locations, all the wonderful content that other wayboating users like you have added to the map. So simply just head to that map layers option and customize it for your particular needs. Now, let's say you want to change the setting format. You want depths to be in meters instead of feet, or vice versa, or temperature, or boat speed, or you prefer the map to be north up versus bearing up. All of that will be done in settings. So simply head to the menu, go to settings, and here's where you can change all the preferences to how you like it. So depth and distance, I'm going to switch to say meters. Boat and wind speed, I'll keep it at kilometer per hour. Temperature, we can go to Fahrenheit. I know I'm doing depth meters and temperature Fahrenheit, weird. Coordinate types, map display can be head up or north up. As well, you can choose whether or not you want to share your location when you're on the water with other wave boating users, and simply tap the X to get back to the main map, and those preferences will update accordingly. Now, just a couple quick other things. Say you want to quickly center the map on your location. So first off, make sure you are providing location privileges to Wavve Boating. If you're not, you will be given a notification when you try and do this functionality. So I'm going to center on my location. That's the bottom left, right above the map icon. Map will quickly pull to my location, which is on land. And lastly, a key thing to know is the map is an interactive thing for you. So it's where you can learn more information. So get curious and tap things. So any chart symbols, you tap those, you're going to get more information about them. For example, this lateral buoy, it's a lit one. Those little light icons is going at the same frequency that you actually see that lateral buoy light or channel marker on the water. Learn some basic information about it. As well, you can tap on the map, tap and hold, and you can drop a pin. You can navigate to that location. Over here, looks like I've got some shipwrecks. Tap on those, learn a little bit more information. So really get curious, just go around, tap, learn about any things that you're not familiar with, and that's sort of the main thing. And again, similar, so if I'm showing some community content that's been added to the map, right, you can just tap that to learn a little bit more information, and that's how it works. Cool. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at community@waveboating.com. We will be very happy to help you, and have a wonderful day on the water. Thank you.